It's your boy MC Level Boy, aka you nothing no finish. PCN, this life is not settled at all. Where it's the remembrance of late Miss Rose Isiwa Home Azai. That's my grandmother. So Mama will say mo can remember you today. Today na your remembrance day. Say mo can remember you. Will not forget you. Even if say na 100 years, you see day for our man. Will not forget you because when you dey alive, you dey caring to us. You dey lovely to us. In short, everything we be say Mama they do for pikin, you dey do am for us. In short, you too good. Mama will be say no when pikin suppose chop. Mama will be say no when pikin dey hungry. Mama will be say he cover all his children with the grace wey be say God give all the mothers wey dey take dey cover pikin. So when she dey alive, she was so wealthy, she get money. In fact, God bless her with many things. But if na money, God bless her. If na children, God bless her. If na houses, God bless her with many things. So for her own main children wey be say she born on her own by herself na 8. While her grandchildren na 32 in number, then her great grandchildren na just 4 in number. So she try, e no easy. In short, Mona clap for her. Then I get the list of her own main children wey be say she born for here. So the number 1 person for here na Mr. Respect Osarere, aka Gama 1 of Edo State. Okpo, who no know you no know road. Then the number 2 person for here, she's a businesswoman, Mrs. Respect Blessing Umae. She's the first daughter of my grandmother. The number 3 person over here, she's also a businesswoman, Mrs. Respect Madam Mode Beauty. That's my mother. Even if you say she never did internet, her picture never did internet, no worry. As far as me level boy don't do, no worry, her picture will show for internet, the video go see am. Then the number 4th person over here is Mr. Respect Bros Emmanuel, aka Pape 1 of Prato. 5th person over here is Mr. Respect Bros City, aka Bobby 1 of Prato, based in Italy. Then the 6th person over here, she's also a businesswoman, Mrs. Respect Woman of Everybody, Glory Saturday. Okpo Leki, you no know road. Then the 7th person over here is Mrs. Respect Madam Uwa Odion. So you can see that that's a native name. If you don't know the meaning, call ask me level boy, I will tell you. Then the last but not the least, the 8th person, she is my auntie who sent me to do this video. If you see her, you go know her. If you see her, you go recognize her. Mrs. Respect Mama Annabelle, 1 of Germany, Bielefeld. That's for the main children. As for the grandchildren, like I said before, they are 32 in numbers. Not be all of them know their name. Even you, not be everybody know for your generation. If you think say I dey lie, no worry. The day when me and you go see one on one, we'll talk that one. So the first person I have over here is Sister Marian. Then the number 2 person over here is Sister Itohan. Then the 3rd person over here is Brother Iromoseli. And the 4th person over here is Brother Ehikyoya Okpo. Then the 5th person over here is Sister Angela Respect. Then the 6th person over here is Omoze. Then the 7th person over here is Gift. Then number 8th person over here is Peace. Then the 9th person over here is Odion and Akere. If you can see, this picture is combined together, they are twins. Then the number 10 person over here is Annabelle and Isabella. As you can see, this picture is combined together. They're not be twins, so may you not say because I mentioned twins before. This one I see twins. No, they're born in one. Then the number 11 person here is Precious. You know, is a Ugalant. Then the 12 people over here is Harmony and Prospect. That's for the grandchildren. Then as for the great grandchildren, like I said before, they are just 4 in number. She tries, you know, easy. In fact, Mona clap for her. So number 1 person over here is Promise. You try. Then the 2nd person over here is Osawese. Then the 3rd person over here is Osamu Jame. Yes, Osamu Jame. That's good. Then the 4th person, the last but not the least over here is Dominic. I get a name, but I don't get a picture. That one of the person 4th. So you will be say you get mama, your mama see the village, and you get money, your mama see the village, the sokma. My brother, my sister, no worry, they with me and you go see. Go talk that one. Give am food, give am money, build house for them, everything. Not when you go down there, you call they carry canopy, they carry 5 cow, they tie the key, they feed all your enemy, and feed them. because they not even know when they enter some burn you, train for you conclusion like that, get that kind of money. Now, see my sister, my brother, if you be that kind of person, don't worry, they with me and you go see, we'll talk that one. So I really appreciate. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. If you visit send this video come for you, say you know the watch from my YouTube channel, I beg just open your YouTube as you watch for your own normal gallery. Open your YouTube, just search Level Boys Comedy na me there. Watch my video, comment, like and see share for the people who say you like, you know, just help me to share my channel so that you understand everywhere clear.
Imi yo gegwe na biye me wa me o ijama o fe la mo fe ko ngara ijama o bi anene ami o sanu ma saba me o iye nogi una mu me la ki agba ki awon me ko iye nogi o ki be bi anene una mu me liquia we mana bupon ne surie me ebunyi na meria uye alwa ekian ye emi no ma